Most people don't have a spending problem. They have a visibility problem. You earn decent money. You're not reckless. But every month, somehow, it's gone. That's not a discipline failure. That's a design failure. Payday. Account looks healthy. You feel fine. A few normal purchases, still fine. Something comes up. You handle it. Then you check the balance. Nothing left. Same story. Different month. One account, one bucket. Zero clarity. The account held everything and explained nothing. So I stopped trying to be more disciplined. And I built a better system instead. 5 accounts, 30 days, everything changed. Here's the diagnosis. The single bucket problem. When your account has $7,000 in it, what does that number actually mean? Rent, food, savings, holiday, insurance, nights out, emergencies. That's not a number. That's a negotiation. Every time you spent extra on leisure activities, in reality, you were actually touching the emergency fund. You'd never run your kitchen like that. But that's exactly how most people run their finances. Willpower runs out. Systems don't. When money is already in a labeled bucket, the decision is already made. 5 accounts, 5 jobs. Here's how it works. Account 1, the engine. Your salary lands here, every dollar, every month. And on payday, it fires automatic transfers to every other account. You never spend from the engine directly, and it's not a wallet, it's a sorting office. Account 2, the bills box. Every fixed expense, rent, utilities, subscriptions, insurance, paid automatically from here. You calculate the exact total once, transfer it on payday, then never think about it again. Account 3, the spend card. This is the only account you actually spend from day to day. The balance is your budget. If it's there, the spend is already approved. No guilt, no second guessing. The account decides. Account 4, the future fund. Savings and investments, transferred automatically the day after payday, kept out of sight. You save by default, not by decision. That one change is worth more than any budget spreadsheet you've ever made. Account 5, the safety net. Emergencies only, separate from everything else, deliberately. When it's in its own account, using it feels like a real decision, not a casual transfer. 5 accounts, 5 jobs, 1 automation. Name every account. The name is the rule. Now the protocol. 3 steps. 1 Sunday afternoon. Step 1. Open 5 accounts. Most banks let you do this in under 10 minutes. Step 2. Name every account. The name is the rule. It tells you and the money exactly where to go. Now calculate your splits. Add up every fixed bill. That's your bills box number. Decide what you need to spend daily. That's your spend card. Everything left, split between future fund and safety net. Step 3. Automate on payday. Set a standing order from the engine to every other account. Fires the same day your salary lands. This is what it looks like on a $7,000 salary. Most people think the answer is more discipline. Another budget, another spreadsheet, another Monday reset. It's not. You don't need more discipline. You need better architecture. Build the system once. Then just live your life.